How to get and redeem Patagonia promo code. Open up a browser that you prefer on your PC or your mobile device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Patagonia promo code. You will find various of websites dealing with the promo code. Just tap on any one that you prefer. In the dialog box, you can enter your email address and tap on Get Alerts to never miss out any offer. Now, tap on any promo code that you want to. Simply tap on Copy or tap on Redeem at Patagonia to use it for instance. Wait until you are redirected to the home page. To redeem the promo code, all you have to do is purchase an item from Patagonia. For an example, I'm selecting this item to purchase. And make sure that you have entered the size and all the details it requires. Then tap on Add Bag Order to Bag. Once you are done, tap on Checkout. In here, at the bottom, you will find the details about your checkout and payment. You will find Do you have a promo code option? Tap on the plus sign icon and paste the code that you copied. Then tap on Submit. Then you can scroll down, then tap on Checkout. You can pay for your purchase through your PayPal or any credit or debit card that you owe. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.